How to track luggage in Airfrance. Hi guys, welcome to another tutorial. In this tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can track luggage in Airfrance. So if you're in a situation where your luggage needs to be tracked, ensure you watch this video to the end. So the first step is to sign in into your account. Of course, you cannot do anything without signing in into your account first of all. So once you've signed into your account and you're brought to the home page, the next step is for you to locate the um the contact us option, and that is by moving to the top left corner of the screen, clicking on the three dashes, and then in the box displayed you can see options like book a flight, check-in, my booking, travel destination, then contact us. So just click on contact us. Now after clicking on contact us, be taken to the help center. All right, so once you're on the help centers page, you can see several options. Under the option what do you need help with, and then you can see planning my trip, etc. Ensure you select baggage, and after selecting baggage, you report to the baggage page. So you can see I want to bring additional or special baggage. My baggage has been damaged, I lost or found an item, etc. Then my baggage is missing or delayed. So just click on that. And then once you click on that, you can see the option declare missing baggage, and then you can see check status of my missing baggage. You just click on check status of my missing baggage, and then you'll be redirected to another page. On this page you can see the Air France letter or form, and then an apology, and then the next step is to scroll down, read through all of this because this is the tracking system, and then the next step is to input your file reference, the name, and then click on submit, and from there they'll take it up, um and you would be provided with information about where your baggage is. All right, so this is how you can go about it. Ensure you read the on-screen instructions and you follow them properly so that you can get your baggage back. So that is it. This is how you can track luggage in Air France. Thank you very much.